Antioxidants. Introduction. What is the name of the substances or molecules that can damage the cells of the body? Choose one of the following options. 1. Antioxidants. 2. Free radicals. 3. Oxidation. Correct. Antioxidants can neutralize free radicals, which prevents free radicals from building up in the body and causing damage. Select true or false. Correct. Which of the following groups has an increased risk of antioxidant deficiencies? Choose one of the following options. 1. Older adults. 2. People with digestive problems. 3. Vegetarians. 4. All of the above. Correct. It is difficult to get enough antioxidants because they are not found in many foods. Select true or false. Correct. With so many foods being good sources of antioxidants, it is not hard to get enough in your diet. However, dietary supplements are available. Talk to your healthcare provider for more information. Which of these foods is not rich in antioxidants? Choose one of the following options. 1. Blueberries. 2. Broccoli. 3. Walnuts. 4. White bread. Correct. White bread is not a good source of antioxidants. Which of these foods is not rich in antioxidants? Choose one of the following options. 1. Coffee. 2. Distilled water. 3. Milk with chocolate. 4. Green tea. Correct. Distilled water is not a good source of antioxidants. Most people are able to get enough antioxidants from their diet. Select true or false. Correct. Should you talk to your healthcare provider before taking new supplements? Select yes or no. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.